Hi, welcome to Live Life Ravishingly. Today we are continuing our episode on AI and spirituality with Mr. Shivaram. Shivaram, welcome to my show.
Hi Ravish, glad to be here.
Thank you. So, Shivaram, I got to know that you have come up with a new idea and new venture with a combination of spirituality and AI. You have brought up something new for us, right?
Yeah,
Oh,
so let me tell about it, Ravish. You know that I'm running few startups
yeah,
in the field of AI. I have a lot of experience building products in the field of AI.
right.
It always used to bother me that I need to do something in the field of spirituality to help
Ah.
people, mainly to become stronger from the inside.
Got it.
Okay, I know that today we are dependent on external devices. Even our health is dependent on external things, right? Our mental wellness is also dependent on external things. To feel happy, we use devices like mobile phones and stuff.
Right.
But can we become strong from the inside, because that is what is needed. If you are stronger from the, what do I mean by becoming stronger from the inside? If you are good at learning new things, if you are confident, if your belief system is strong, if you have a strong willpower, if you have all of this, then your life becomes easy.
Right.
You'll be able to face tough situations in life, and you can be successful.
Got it.
Now, can AI help you in doing all of this? The answer is yes.
Okay.
AI can help you.
Fantastic.
So that is the reason I felt there should be something which someone has to do. And this idea is very unique. So instead of waiting for someone, I started a group called Divine AI Work. Okay?
Divine AI work. Okay. Great.
Divine is for spirituality, for
And-
God. AI is for AI.
Yeah.
Work is the work what we are doing. So Divine AI Work
Yeah.
is basically it's the group which works on multiple initiatives, not one, multiple initiatives where AI and spirituality combine to create something to
Great.
help people. Okay. And then around that there is a foundation which I've created. So it's a non-profit. So in Divine AI, what we are doing is we are providing using AI. We are providing tools, okay, and AI models which understand spirituality very well, as well as provide it for free.
Oh, okay. That's
Provide it for
fantastic.
free.
Yeah.
That is our principle. And we basically are experts in AI anyway. So we have, I have not just me, there are various other people also involved in this, and also people who are into spirituality.
Got it.
Okay, so
Got it.
people who have expertise in that, and they can guide us in making sure that these applications are really helpful. And when we are saying it is provided for free, someone has to spend some money on it for development, for maintenance, and when you're using AI, you inevitably have to pay money.
Absolutely.
So I have decided to fund it myself.
Oh, that's
to start
fantastic.
off with, and in the future, the organization, the foundation can receive donations and stuff, and we'll somehow sustain. So from my side, I'm committed to push this forward and fund it so that it helps people in doing a lot of things. Yeah.
Great. First of all, I'd like to congratulate for this new idea and coming into this
Thank you, Ravish.
venture.
Yeah.
Wish you all the best. And yeah, so let's continue. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. So, Shivaram, tell me, in your Divine AI work, like what all topics you are into?
Okay, so we are into various topics. One of them is to how do you, there are a huge amount of scriptures we have. Can you talk to it? Like, can you ask questions, relevant questions? And when you ask questions, can AI provide you the right answer? I don't want something like a chat GPT. You ask something and it gives, you don't know where it is coming from. No, basically it has to tell exactly where the content has been picked and how it has interpreted.
Got it.
Because it's very important in spirituality that we are using the right source.
Correct.
Right. So we want to start off with things which can help people understand in a deeper way and in the broader way. Today, if you want to understand something which is there in some Upanishads or Bhagavad Gita or Vachanas or whatever, you have to go through it and you have to search for it, right? But what if AI can help you in that process and explain it to you in a very detailed way? So that is one line of things.
Got it.
The second line of things is there are a lot of things which we consider them as spiritual truths or old age sayings, and we use things like many things we do. Like you can call them rituals, you can call them practices, and so on. We think some of them are blind beliefs. We think some of them are actually true, superstitious. It works, and so on. We want to actually make it data driven. So if it is superstitious, we want to figure it out. If it is not superstitious also, we want to figure it out.
Okay.
So when it is data driven, you are collecting data and using that data to prove that particular thing is actually superstition or not.
Got it.
Okay. So we are not saying everything what is there, what people practice is right. Right. At the same time, we are also not saying they are not right. So right or not right should be decided by data.
Got it.
Okay. And we want to collect data and use that data to prove or disprove something and show it to people, saying this is what we tried, this is how we did it, and we publish it in such a way that other people can replicate it.
Got it.
If it is true, then it is a huge benefit, gift to humanity.
Correct.
Like imagine if certain truths come out and they can help us live longer or healthily or understand better, reduce mental stress, how valuable these things are.
Absolutely.
Right? So our intention is to gather massive amount of data around this. It can be through asking questions to people and gathering data from them and all those things, and then using that to prove or disprove something. And if it is true, building apps around it and providing it to people for free. Again,
got it.
Okay.
Got it.
So doing that. So this is a continuous process we want to do, and there are certain things we know are true to some extent. Like we all know, if you do hard work, you will succeed in life. We all know that.
Yeah.
Okay. Even our scriptures say that. Okay. So we know such certain things are very easy to. We don't even have to do experiments. Okay. Those things we already want to bring it out in terms of apps, productivity apps. We call them as like kind of a productivity app kind of thing, which you can use to perfect yourself using the knowledge of spiritual knowledge and all those things, and lead your life in a much more systematic way.
Got it.
Being disciplined is good. We know that being disciplined is good, doing hard work is good, being compassionate to people is good, and then having a clear mind, calm mind is good. Being happy is good.
Yeah.
Right? Happy people don't trouble other people.
Yeah.
Right? So we know a lot of such things, right? So how do you kind of combine? So my Guruji Paramahamsa Yogananda has written a lot of such things, like how to lead your life. So we want to kind of distill that. It's not like exactly, if we directly say do this, the scripture is saying this, many people don't understand what they should do. Now if we say, okay, you are leading your life this way, now you lead your life, small changes you do, we will not even tell them from which scripture it is coming, but we are saying, okay, if you change this, you'll get this. You change this, like for example, if you want to become successful in life, right? What are the changes you need to do? Okay, so these kind of things from the scriptures, we want to bring it into an app format and provide it in such a way that people today can understand.
Got it.
It is not for someone who is scholarly and they know everything. No, make it accessible. Today, to make it accessible, it should be on the internet. It should be easy to use, easy to log in, easy to use. So that is our aim. User friendly, and AI to personalize it for them, because entire spiritual journey is personalized, right? And our aim is not to say take the role of the guru, as I was saying. Our aim is to guide you as an assistant.
Got it.
Okay, in the spiritual matters, so that you don't go off track. Okay, it's very easy to go off track.
Yes.
So many distractions today, right? So that's what we are doing.
All right. So from your speech, what I got to know is it's data driven. Your journey in divine AI work is data driven, and based on data, you're going to help people in spirituality.
That's absolutely great. Data and the models which are trained, specific things which are spiritual things, we use that, and we have created a huge roadmap of what we want to build, and we have already built few, and we'll discuss that later.
Great. Okay. So now I just want to know who all can join this divine AI work. I'm interested to know that, and it will be helpful for my viewers who will be really interested to join your community.
Okay. Anyone who is into programming can join.
Okay.
They should know how to build applications, web applications, or apps, and things like that. We already have certain good people who are already working with us.
Fantastic.
So someone who believes that what we are doing is actually bringing value. There are some people who don't even believe in spirituality and
Correct.
stuff. So maybe it's not for them.
Mm.
It is for people who believe that what we are doing has some meaning. It has potential. Okay?
Got it. Got it.
It is for them. It is also for people who are not into programming, but know how to make something useful for other people. Like, for example, the UI UX, the functionality of it. Maybe a person is having deep spiritual knowledge. They think something works. Okay, they want to test out their theory. They have a hypothesis. This happens. This happens. Right. So they want to test out. So for people like that, we can involve them, and we can understand things in a much more scientific way. When I say scientific way, I'm talking about the data-driven way. Actually, the true essence of science is not wrong. Today, what we are doing is we are not using the science in the right way. It is motivated by money, and people are biased because of that.
Got it.
And that is the reason science is not able to get into things like life, prana, sleep. They don't understand sleep properly.
Correct.
They don't understand samadhi properly, and things like that. There are a lot of things, consciousness and so on. They don't understand those things properly because, not enough effort in the right way has been put into those things. So I think this approach of doing things, like building things for people in a step-by-step way, can actually make people start believing in spirituality, the power of spirituality, and how effective it is to make people lead a more happier life.
Got it.
That is the intention. People should live happily, and that is what we consider
Ultimate
as
motto
success.
of this. Yeah.
Yes.
Right. So people who can join are they can be programmers, and even people who don't know programming with spiritual knowledge can definitely contribute this to divine AI work. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So thanks, Shivaram, for joining my show, and wish you all the best again.
Thank you.
We'll keep continuing our discussion.
Thank you.
Stay tuned.
Thank you.